Hey guys, this is Judy from Judita Nail Art. Welcome back to my channel, and today I have my weekly nail art tutorial video for you. For this week's Facebook group collab, we have a theme of words or phrases, so any plate that has words that we don't really know how to use or where to use them in manicures are perfect candidates for today's nail art tutorial. And I will of course leave for you all the pictures at the end of my video so that you can see what everybody else created, but I will also have all the links in the description box. So once you are done watching my video, please go over to the other ladies and show them some love. Of course, if you're new here or coming from the other channels that joined into today's collab, then welcome. I hope you will like what you see here, and if you do, then please hit the subscribe button before you leave. And of course, if you enjoy my nail art tutorial video, then also please hit the like button for me. Alright, I don't really have much to add today to the theme itself, but I am really looking forward to see what everybody else created for today's collab. And if you do have any questions or comments, just please leave them for me in the comment section. So keep watching my nail art tutorial portion. Thank you guys so much for being here today, and I will be back with some more soon. Thank you. Bye bye.